Cool car envy.
We love nice cars.
All right, we're back, and today we're actually talking about a pretty big news story that's just developing in the car world over the last couple days. That's right, you guys. So the last Chevrolet Camaro has just rolled off the assembly line in Michigan. The model has been discontinued, and I know a lot of people are not happy about this, and some people are just absolutely losing their minds. And I'm not happy. I had a Camaro in high school, so I have a lot of fond memories of that car. I'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute, but first I'm going to read a little clip from this article about what happened. All right, so after 2 generations and nearly 1 million sales in the US alone from 2009 to 2023, the latest era of the Chevrolet Camaro has concluded. The final Camaro Coupe said goodbye to the assembly facility on December 14th. Chevy confirmed the details to Road and Track and sent a prepared statement that read in part, "Camaro is a passionate project. It has developed a fan base across the world and has brought people into Chevrolet dealerships for generations. The 6th generation specifically represented athleticism and composure, exuding confidence on the road and dominance on the track. The milestone comes about a month ahead of schedule when back in March, GM announced the end of Camaro production. It said the final 6th generation will come off the assembly line at the Lansing Grand River Assembly Plant in Michigan in January 2024. The last time Camaro took a pause at the demise of the 4th gen in 2002, fans had to wait 7 years for the car's resumption. As to how long this intermission might be, all we have for now is GM's pledge that the Camaro show will go on, but no idea when. And right now, there's a lot of speculation that when they do make a comeback, it'll probably be an all-electric SUV, kind of like the Ford Mustang. And this news definitely hits home with me. Back in high school, I had a nice blue Camaro RS with the 305. My buddy actually had a nice one similar to mine with the T-tops, only his had the 4-cylinder. We used to race around town, but I could never beat this kid. Somehow he would always get in front of me, fishtailing out of control. He never saw any brake lights. It was awesome times back then. So I'm going to miss the Camaro, and I really do hope they come back with some kind of hybrid sports car version and not just an electric SUV like everybody's anticipating. People are angry at corporate. They're out in the streets protesting. It's chaos. Let us know in the comments what you guys think about this, and I just want to say real quick, thank you so much for checking out the channel and watching the video. If you guys liked it, please subscribe to help us bring you more car content like this. We will see you on the next one.